Hi, welcome to Justina's Healthy Ghanaian Meals. Thank you for joining. I wanted to do a quick video to let you know if you have any questions, any comments, please feel free to leave it in the comment sections. I do read it and I do respond to every comment. Leave in the comment section what more videos you would like to see. Would you like to see more healthy ways to make delicious meals, delicious recipes, cooking tips? Would you like to know how much it costs to make a healthy meal for a week, for one person, for two people, for a whole family? And also let me know if you want to know ideas for hosting a small gathering. My friends know I love hosting and I do a lot of hosting. So I have a lot of those content already. So I'm very, very happy to share if you need inspiration ideas on how to host a small group, a large group, and also how to know which carbs are good for you and which meals are good for you to help you achieve whatever healthy goal you are looking to achieve. So feel free to leave a comment section, and your girl over here, she got you. And also let me know if you want to know step by step of my different homemade seasoning blends that I make and what's good for which meals, which dishes, what's good for all purpose cooking. I got you. And also, if you're interested in knowing the different juices that I drink, some of them are great for detoxing, some of them are great for having clear skin and radiant skin, let me know and I will share all of them with you. And also let me know, do you want to see more of me in the videos or focus more on the recipes? Let me know. Remember, share the channel with your friends, comment, and subscribe.